Hey guys, and welcome back in a new video about Freel, the upcoming platform and SaaS built exclusively for freelancers in Canada. Today, I'm going to show you some exciting features on Freel to demo the platform, how you can use it and leverage it as a freelancer, such as like how to create and build a public profile, how to find gigs, how to chat with clients, and more. All right, let's dive in it. So first of all, you need to sign up. So you click on sign up. And you have two options to sign up. It's done with email. So either you go straight with a Gmail email and you click on sign up with Google, it will be straightforward. Or you can use another email such as Yahoo, Outlook, whatsoever, and you click here. Today I'm going to go with Google. So I click on this one. And automatically I'll be logged with Gmail. If you have multiple accounts, you'll be asked to select which one you want to log with. Or if you have only one like me, it's going to go directly with that account. All right, now I need to select my role. Am I a freelancer or am I a client? Today I'm a freelancer, but just note that everything is available in French also, so you can switch between the language if you want. So let's move forward with the freelancer because I want to create my profile and find a gig. Great, now I'm actually logged in, I have signed up. I now need to fill my profile actually. So such as my job position. So I'm a full stack developer. I can also do front end and back end actually. And yeah, I recommend filling it at least 3 positions to have more chance to come out in the algorithm when a client will be filtering to find some developers, for instance. Regarding seniority, so I'm 3 to 7 years of seniority. My skills, I'm mostly into JavaScript, but also like Python. I can also do like some Figma, mockup, and so on. Okay, sweet. You can add way more skills than that. Okay. Regarding the hourly rate, so let's put 80 indeed. Next. Now the location. I'm in Montreal, Quebec. Remote type, I'm actually flexible. I don't mind. It can be hybrid, hybrid, fully remote or on-site. And in order to do that, to say that I'm fully flexible, I select any. I do speak English, I do speak Spanish and French. Sweet. Moving to the public profile. All right, now this is the profile, the data that's going to be shown to the clients on your profile. So you need to step up your copywriting game right now. And I have something prepared on the side that I'm going to copy paste here for the sake of the demo. Here we are. So I have my profile title and my bio. Wonderful. Now I'm seeing that I already have a photo of me because I've logged with Gmail, but I actually want another one. So I'm going to switch it, and I already got my first name and last name because I've logged with Gmail. Sweet. So now I can click on submit, and it's going to create and save my profile. It's taking a bit of time because I'm locally not in the production web app. And now we are getting redirect to my back office as a freelancer. So there's multiple things you can do. I'm not going to go in details right now. We are focusing on the basic features of the platform. So I've landed actually on my portfolio where I can see all my items, but since I don't have any item for now, I can create and add some, as you can see here. But right now, let's go directly on to see my profile, my public profile. So I click on view my profile right here. All right, nice. Here's my profile, looking good. So this is the profile basically any client, any person on the platform can see. Sweet. And I've got a reminder that I can add some work item in my portfolio. So let's do that, for instance. I can do it here too, right? So I'm going to say Dataxi, a job board that I've built. Description here about the work item. Skills that I've used, let's say Next.js still. I'm going to add the domain. You don't have, it's optional to add the domain, right? You don't have to, but if you have a link, always good to provide it. Adding a photo, a screenshot, and click on submit. So now I've added something in my portfolio. Great. So the image will appear in a few. I'm refreshing it to make it appear faster. Wonderful. So now we're good. I have one item in my portfolio. I can add more, of course, up to 10 if you want. Feel free to do it. Something that I haven't commented. As you can see, there's like a sticky banner here, right? Which is basically nudging you to add your business ID. It's totally free. It's a way for us to basically certify and vet the fact that you're a freelancer in Canada. It's totally free, it takes 1 second, so feel free to do it. Just click on it and click on submit, okay? Provide the business ID and click on submit. Wonderful. Great. Now I have my profile. Why not taking a look at gigs? Is there any gigs available that fit my needs and what I am looking for? Let's see. All right, so it's loading the gigs available. I can actually filter the gigs if there are like so many that I need to filter out by name, title, description, skills, if it's remote or not, and so on and so on. Awesome. So I'm seeing a bit of great, sweet. So a lot of things about development here. So you know what? Why not working on the revamp of the company website? So I can either click on view gig to see the gigs, more details about the gigs, like the full description, right? Or I can apply directly. So I've clicked on view gigs and now I'm going to see all the information like expecting start date and so on and so on. Okay, the client name, etc., etc. I'm going to click on apply now because now I want to apply. Basically, when you click on apply, it's going to poke the client like, hey, there's a freelancer interested in your mission. Check out your conversation with him to know more about that potential freelancer, right? So it's launching a conversation with the clients. And now I can talk with Victor, which is the one who actually created the gig, right? So I can say, hey, I think I can fix your website for you. Could we set up a meeting? I mean, you can walk your introduction message if you want. But in the meantime, you can also directly send a quote. If you're already ready, you add enough information from the description of the gig and send a quote like, this is what I'm offering to do this job. In this video, I'm not going to go in details on how to send a quote, how to fill a quote and so on, because it's more like a demo around the basic introductive features of the platform. I'm going to do a second demo around like the collaborative workflow on the platform. So yeah, that was it for the introduction for today. I hope you liked it. And above all, I hope to see you soon on the platform. Cheers.